Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gamitin natin itong Angel Answers Oracle cards para malaman natin kung ano yung mga advices, mensahe ng angel mo sa araw na ito, okay? And you can think of a question, Pisces. Kung ano yung gusto mong tanungin, itanong sa ating angel ngayon. And alamin natin kung ano yung magiging sagot niya sa'yo, okay? Pero kung wala ka namang tanong, Pisces, you can still watch this video and alamin natin kung ano magiging mensahe ng guardian angel mo sa araw na ito. Okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading. So, pwede pong mag-resonate Pisces, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And, this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, basta mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon nyo, take nyo lang. Okay? And pwede ko na po siyang hindi na-explain pa further, Pisces, kung ano man yung lalabas ng mga mensahe dito. Kasi iba-iba po yung sitwasyon nyo po. Take nyo lang kung saan mag-resonate sa aspeto ng buhay nyo itong mga messages na lalabas ngayon. Okay? So, ano po ang mensahe po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Big happy changes and perfect timing. Wow! Perfect timing and big happy changes. So, there is parang trust the process, Pisces. Okay? And, kumbaga, full of hope. Andun yan. Umasa ka lang. Wala namang mawawala. Okay? Magtiwala. Trust. Big happy changes will come and in God's perfect time. Perfect timing. Okay? So, and there is something na kailangan mong i-compromise. You have to think, you have to, alam mo yun, i-balance, balansehin, pag-isipan na mabuti kung ano man yung darating. Okay, so, meron pa tayo dito. Let go. You have to let go and trust the process. Look for a sign and don't stop. Okay, so there's a big happy changes for you to receive, Pisces, in God's perfect time, in perfect timing. Okay, and look for a sign. Let go. You have to let go. Okay, you have to trust the situation, the process, and you have to let go. Okay, you have to let go. Look for a sign kung pwede. Pero kung wala naman, it's okay. And then, don't stop. Kung meron ka mang ginagawa ngayon, Pisces, tuloy mo lang. Okay, so kuha pa tayo ng mga siguro 3. Ano pa pong message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay. Ayun, dami naman ito. Pero sige, kunin natin to, Pisces. Kunin natin to. There's a remain positive. Yes, you have to remain positive. And you will attract positivity, Pisces. Basta ano lang. Mag-isip ng mga magagandang bagay. Ask your angel. Pwedeng konektado to siya sa look for a sign. It's still up to you. It's always up to you, Pisces. Ikaw pa rin yung magde-decide at the end of the day. Okay? And reconsider. Pwedeng ito yung merong connection sa compromise. Reconsider for something. If you believe, okay, improving health, pwedeng financial health, physical health, emotional health, okay, mental health, pwedeng ganun. Listen to your intuition and ask for help from others. Okay? So, yun lang po ang message ng guardian angel mo sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po, Pisces, huwag niyo po sana kalimutan na mag-like, mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!